History and future of NFTs. Here is a short history of NFTs. December 2012-2013. The concept of NFTs began with the inception of colored coins. These tokens represent real-world assets on the blockchain. They can be used to prove ownership of any asset, from precious metals to cars to real estate, even equities and bonds. This original idea was to use the Bitcoin blockchain for assets like digital collectibles, coupons, property, company shares, and more. Vitalik Buterin, co-creator of Ethereum, was part of the team building it on the Bitcoin blockchain. Unfortunately, the limitations of Bitcoin's scripting language at that time couldn't sustain the application. But the concept of colored coins did two things. 1. It opened possibilities for experimentation. 2. It laid the groundwork for the success of NFTs today. 2014 Counterparty. Robert Dermody, Adam Krellenstein, and Evan Wagner founded Counterparty, a peer-to-peer financial platform and distributed, open-source internet protocol built on the Bitcoin blockchain. Counterparty allowed asset creation and had a decentralized exchange, thus providing a way for users to create their own tradable currencies. It had numerous ideas and opportunities, including meme trading without counterfeit issues. May 2014 The first NFT. Kevin McCoy on May 3, 2014, minted his non-fungible token Quantum. Quantum is a pixelated image of an octagon filled with denoting circles, arcs or other shapes which share the same center, with larger shapes surrounding smaller ones, and hypnotically pulsing in fluorescent hues. Today the one-of-a-kind Quantum art piece, 2014-2021 is on sale for $7 million. April 2015. Spells of Genesis on Counterparty. Counterparty partners up with the team creators of the Spells of Genesis game. These guys pioneered issuing in-game assets onto a blockchain. They were among the first to launch an ICO, and funded the development of Counterparty by introducing their own in-game currency called Bit Crystals. August 2016. New trends began to emerge. Counterparty teamed up with Force of Will, a popular trading card game, and launched their cards on the Counterparty platform. Behind Pokémon, Yu-Gi-Oh! And Magic, Force of Will was the fourth-ranked card game in North America according to sales volume. When they entered the ecosystem, they had no prior blockchain or crypto experience. This proved the concept and the value in putting such assets on a blockchain. October 2016. Meme collectibles were issued, with the recognizable green frog Rare Peppies on Counterparty. Rare Peppies are memes of the frog character, who has acquired a crazy fanbase over the years. Pepe the Frog started as a comic character, but steadily became an internet celebrity and arguably one of the most popular memes. 2017. Ethereum gains prominence and Rare Peppies started to be traded there as well. Jason Rosenstein and Lewis Parker ran the first live Rare Pepe auction held at the inaugural Rare Digital Art Festival. Crypto art was born with the Rare Pepe wallet. It was the first time creators around the world were able to submit and sell their own artwork. This became the first time digital art had intrinsic value. Rare Peppies built on Counterparty, the origins of crypto art and NFTs. October 2017. CryptoPunks. While Rare Peppies trading picked up, John Watkinson and Matt Hall created Larva Labs, and the 10,000 unique CryptoPunks were generated on the Ethereum blockchain. If you had an Ethereum wallet, you could claim them free of charge. All were claimed fast. And before you know it, this inspired a robust secondary marketplace where collectors would trade them for higher prices. Since the ERC 721 standard had not yet been developed, the CryptoPunk NFTs were creatively issued on a hybrid of the ERC 20 and ERC 721 Ethereum tokens. No two characters would be the same. CryptoPunks by Larva Labs. CryptoKitties. CryptoKitties were created by a Vancouver-based company called Axiom Zen, and quickly went viral, earning funding from top investors due to their rise in users. Axiom Zen later spun off CryptoKitties into Dapper Labs. These kitties marked the NFT mainstream moment, going viral and raising $12.5 million in investment in 2017. These virtual cats are breedable. Each had a unique number and 256-bit distinct genome with DNA and different traits attributes. Pattern, mouth shape, fur, eye shape, base color, accent color, and more. These traits were passed on to their digital feline offspring. At the height of CryptoKitty buying, breeding, trading, they reached almost 5,000 ETH in volume. CryptoKitties were so popular that they accounted for over 10% of network traffic on the Ethereum network. They threatened to crowd out other applications. Of course, Ethereum miners increased the gas limit in response. These let more data per block be processed, and increased transactions per second. Marketplace sites like OpenSea and Rarebits sprang up to support the new trend. CryptoKitties was even featured in the German museum. ZKM Center for Art and Media Karlsruhe is the primary example of blockchain used to produce artistic collectibles. ERC-20, the most common Ethereum token standard, lets tokens interact with each other, but is not the best for creating unique tokens. Enter ERC-721, the standard for NFTs on the Ethereum blockchain. ERC-721 lets you track ownership and movements of individual tokens from a single smart contract. ERC-1155 lets you mint multiple assets in a single smart contract. It lets you create as many copies of your digital file.